eu estou falando, gente, bom dia, porque está muito frio. Mas não tem neve aqui. My people, I am glad you're here. And I'm so happy, excited. When I say excited, it's because, I mean, the nature, the really life, which is mean the green world we got around us, it's amazing, and keep admiring me every single time. You won't believe it, finally I'm here. I am here in Analândia, Sao Paulo, Brazil, guys. You gotta come and check out this city. It's a small population of no more than 5,000 people, and it's early in the morning, 7:50 a.m. and I am about to review not only one place, so many places. I came here with a friend of mine. He helped me up to came down here, you know, in a motorbike. We rode a long while, you know, from Santa Bárbara do Oeste till this place. All right, folks, I am here in the Morro do Camelo. And isso é assim como a gente está falando, ou fala aqui em português, meu povo. Então, people, no further ado, I'm gonna deploy the drone and I will see how this thing look from the top in the air. All right, folks, see ya. Morro do Camelo, or Morro, dos Corcovados, well, something like that. I'll leave it all the detail and the video description, guys. I hope you enjoy the aerial footage. I'll try to do my best, you know, with the details, you know, of this place, because I got no much time. I came here just to try to capture as much as possible, you know, of the area of this beautiful town of Analândia in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Big heart, love. Don't forget to take care of the natural environment. and stay tuned because it's coming part number 2, chapter number 2 here in Analândia. This was chapter number 1, Morro do Camelo. Alright guys, so stay tuned because it's coming chapter number 2. Alright folks, see you until the next time.